Here we have the daylight video of the TecNiq Eon dual intensity taillights that we put on these wreckers. The camera really isn't at the full angle, but it does give you an idea. They are pretty bright for the small footprint. As I said before, our customers really like the small footprint of the TecNiq dual intensity ions, and as you can tell, although they are pretty small and just a 3 LED light, they do show up very well even in the daytime. Here we have slide switch 1. This is the rear shot, slide switch 1. Here we have slide switch 2, which is the same pattern, just with white up in the light bar. Now they have the ability to activate all this equipment individually and change the flash patterns, so they will set a all amber to the rear setting on this. Here we have slide switch 3. We gave them independent control of the Feniex Fusion 600s on the left side and the right side of the headache rack, as you can see. They can keep one flashing toward the road if they want to use one as a work light, and vice versa. They can also use them both as work lights. They also have the ability to flood the back of the bar with all the rest of the flood and work lights if they want to maximize the work light illumination on the deck. As I said before, they can also activate just the outside 600s on the headache rack if they choose. Coming around the sides, you can see we have dual color fusions by the brakes here on the back.